In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Solana wallet address on KuCoin, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So just go to KuCoin and then click on assets. Now we will find the option to deposit right here at this left sidebar menu, and we just need to select the coin. So just search for Solana, and now we need to select the network as well. So if you click here, you will find the Solana network, which will take approximately 4 minutes for the transaction to come through. So just click here and you should find your Solana deposit address right here. Now we can copy this address and send it to anyone or put it on any platform to transfer money into KuCoin. Or you can also click here to have this QR code which anyone can scan, so they will automatically paste in your address and they can send money that way. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.